Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating the emergency key blade and the small tools you need. This is the one actionable item before insertion. Once you have the pry tool and flashlight, remove the seat latch cover, careful not to bend clips. Make sure to turn off electronics and remove the proximity fob because you'll use the metal blade only. Then, expose the backup key slot or cover. Don't force it. Pry gently until you can see the slot opening clearly. You insert the emergency key blade straight into the backup slot and seat it fully. Align the flat edge with the groove. Then, rotate the blade slowly until you feel a detent or click. This releases the internal cam. Once released, continue turning to the unlock position while maintaining steady pressure. This disengages the steering lock or cover mechanism. If you meet stiff resistance, back the blade out slightly, reseat, and try again. Forcing can bend the blade or damage. You complete the process by turning to the start or accessory position as required. Keep the blade steady while engaging. Once the system is running, return the ignition to off and reinstall any covers and the seat, storing the emergency key blade back in its designated slot. Make sure clips align and snap into place. If things go wrong, stop and inspect the slot for debris, clean, and apply a small amount of graphite or light lock lubricant. Try again, do not.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.